Happy Tuesday evening, November 23rd, 2021. I'm Riley King. Welcome to this Tuesday evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Let's get started right now. Tonight on this edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King, we take a look at Vernon Family Farm. From our farm to your family. Vernon Family Farm is located on 33 conserved acres in Newfields, New Hampshire, along the Piscassic River. We work hard to provide local communities with local, healthy, nutritious, dense food that is grown and raised humanely. Shop local food. Our farm store is open daily and year-round with products sourced from over 30 local farms and small businesses. We're a one-stop shop for your grocery needs. Fresh rotisserie chickens. Every Friday and all year round, we've got fresh rotisserie chickens available for pickup at the farm, November to May. It's available for pickup between 4 to 6 p.m. Farm happenings. Take a look. A blog of their farm. About us, Vernon Family Farm. Let's take a look. Testimonials. Multimedia Press, sharing our story. Careers. Interested in working at the farm? Check out and learn more about us. All positions have been filled for the 2021 season. Community supported land commons. Take a look. Contact information. Vernon Family Farm. Address is 301 Piscassic Road, Newfields, New Hampshire. The phone number and email, as you can see. Farm store hours open daily from 9 to 6 p.m. and year-round. And get in touch right here. Let's take a look at the shop. Look at their online store. Foods, gifts, and holiday. Our farm store. Here is a look at the farm store. Available stuff at the farm store. CSA, Community Supported Agriculture. Farmers Markets. The Winter Farmers Market. And Summer Farmers Market. The kitchen. The Vernon kitchen. Take a look. Looks like a yummy chicken pot pie there. Livestock, they have lamb, cow, pig, turkey, and chickens. And events. Events at the farm, farm tours, and private events. Yes, they do farm tours. Cool. And they also do private events. Very cool. And that is the Vernon Family Farm. Awesome, awesome. I'll need to go and check out their shop. It looks like a cool place to check out. Everyone should go and check it out. And thank you for tuning in for this evening edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Have a great rest of your evening and see you back here next time for another edition of New Hampshire Life with Riley King. Good night and goodbye.